Welcome back to another episode of Cabin Fever Astronomy from the Edelman Planetarium. Fall has finally arrived, and with it comes longer nights, perfect for stargazing. This month we'll be keeping our eyes on Mars. It will be pretty easy, because Mars is currently the fourth brightest object in the sky, after the Sun, Moon, and planet Venus. It's even brighter than the king planet Jupiter. This increase in brightness is due to Mars's current position in the solar system compared to Earth and the Sun. On October 13th, Mars will be at opposition, meaning that Mars and the Sun are on opposite sides of the Earth. As the Sun sets in the west, Mars will begin rising in the east. It will remain visible high in the sky all night long before setting as the Sun rises on October 14th. And because the Sun is behind us, sunlight will fall directly on Mars, making it appear brightest. The best time to view Mars is when it reaches its highest point in the night sky. At opposition, that occurs around midnight. Families with young children who may not be able to stay up that late just need to wait a few weeks for Mars to be high in the sky in the evening. Although Mars won't be quite as bright as at opposition, it will still be brighter than the brightest stars. In fact, it won't be this bright again until the year 2035. Oppositions of Mars happen about every 2 years. That makes sense, because Earth takes a year to orbit the Sun, and Mars takes about 2 years. Every 26 months, we catch up to Mars, passing between it and the Sun. But not all oppositions are the same. Some are brighter than others. The planets in the solar system don't orbit the Sun in perfect circles, but ellipses. This means that their distance from the Sun, and each other, changes. When a planet is closest to the Sun in its orbit, we say that it's at perihelion. When it's at its farthest point, we say that it is at aphelion. Right now, Mars is near perihelion, so this opposition is a particularly close, and therefore brighter one. If you have a telescope with a diameter of at least 4 inches and clear skies, you will get a good view of the red planet. Observe Mars at the same time every night over the next 40 days, and you'll see the entire planet. This is because Mars's day, called a sol, lasts about 38 minutes longer than an Earth day. So night by night, Mars will appear to slowly rotate backwards, to the west, and all the major features will appear. Right now, Mars's south pole is tilted towards the Earth, making the south polar cap visible, though it's a fraction of its full size due to the bright Martian summer sun. You can also try to spot albedo features, light and dark regions on the planet. Lighter regions are usually desert areas, and darker regions are exposed rock. Clouds may also be visible, though they're best seen near the edges of the planet, or along the terminator. So dust off that scope, and head out to some dark skies for the best views of Mars we'll have in a while. Thanks for watching! We'll be back with another episode of Cabin Fever Astronomy soon.